68. In an experiment, two blocks of different roughness are placed on the same rough wooden board. The table above shows three values for each block: the mass, the area of the block in contact with the board, and the coefficient of static friction μs between the block and the board. The experiment begins with the board horizontal. One end of the board is then slowly raised. Which of the following correctly identifies the block that will start sliding down the board first, and why? Now you need to remember that whenever we have a board like that, the critical angle at which sliding occurs is such that μs is equal to the tangent of this angle. Therefore, you get a lower angle for lower μs. And so the block 1 will start moving before block 2 simply because it has a smaller coefficient of friction. So your correct answer is B.